Adventures are called adventures for a reason, because anything can happen. No matter where your adventure takes you, it's important to always be prepared. From ToughTested comes the Phoenix, an emergency adventure kit with a jump starter, tire inflator, phone charger, and emergency flasher all in one. The Phoenix's jump starter not only effectively works on cars, SUVs, and light trucks when a jump is needed, it can also be used to jumpstart lawnmowers, jet skis, boats, ATVs, golf carts, and more. If it's got a 12-volt battery, the Phoenix can bring it back to life. Phoenix's tire inflator not only comes in handy for cars, but includes adapters for bike tires, beach balls, and more. You can even set the exact pressure settings depending on what needs inflating, and it stops automatically when fully inflated. Phoenix also keeps your tablets and smartphones fully charged, so no having to worry about your phone dying during an emergency. And for when it gets dark, the Phoenix includes a multi-mode 200 lumens work light with emergency lighting functions, including strobe and SOS. When you're getting ready for your next adventure, you're not truly ready without the Phoenix from ToughTested.